1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. Capo on the 3rd fret and drop D tuning. I'll show you an easy way to play the song later, but let me just give you a little bit of a demo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the verse part. You can download the PDF if you want. And then the chorus is almost the same. Bridge goes like this. Then back to the chorus. Really nice song to play and nice campfire type song. I made a PDF not with the lyrics but with all the chord diagrams and the parts of the song. So if you can't get the lyrics somewhere, please send them to me so I can put them on the website. And yeah, the song is in drop D tuning, so you tune the E string down to a D, just this one string down to a D, so about a full turn, but then use a tuner to kind of get the place, and then capo on the 3rd fret. Now this is the way I think he plays it on the album. The guy who played guitar is something Malone, David Malone or something. But it sounds to me exactly what he's doing on the album. So I think I'm accurate there. So let's start with it. That's the tuning and that's it. Let's start with the chords. I'll give you a close up here for the chords. We've got this D chord here. Okay, which we could play like this. Okay, so that's the D chord, but he doesn't use this full shape. It's just kind of this shape you have to know. And then D, I play like that with these 2 fingers, but just like that. And then D/C sharp, and then B minor. So those are the first chords: D, D/C sharp, B minor. And the D/C sharp is always used to go between D and you can use whatever fingers work for you. And then this G chord mute the 5th string, and then A sus4, and then A, and then in the bridge they use this D. It's a D/F sharp, and they also use an E minor. It's technically an E minor 7th. Okay, so let's go to the intro where they're going to use this shape exclusively, and you're going to start with a slide from the 2nd fret till the 4th fret. So that's the first move. Then you could do with this thing, and then you go to this shape and you go with the bass in between. Okay, so quite an amazing, beautiful riff that he has there. And then we can go to the verse. Now I'm not going to show the chords now. The verse is going to be these chords. Now it's going to be, and the picking pattern you can use is sorry, G. Sorry, say G for four full beats, and then sorry, the screen is just out of the way. There we go. How's that? Is that good? Okay. Goodbye, decide to put down our throat. And then the strumming you could do down, 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 up, down, down for the chorus. Let's just go out of this view. So we go 1, 2, da 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 da, down, 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 up, down, down, do down, down, da 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 da. And then that D slash C sharp is on the 4th beat, so you count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Did I miss the B minor chord when I was talking about this? Oh yeah, B minor. Just like that. Okay. Mute the top string. Okay, so I'm hoping you guys are following along here. So the chorus is just just singing random stuff. Anyway, the bridge has got this progression: G, G, D slash F sharp, E minor, D slash F sharp, and G, D slash F sharp, E minor, A. So you guys get the idea. It's a pretty basic song. Okay. The video is currently at 1,600 views and it's getting 47 views per hour. That's pretty amazing. It's a pretty good video. Hope you enjoyed learning this lesson. I will see you in more videos. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It helps my stats go up and I feel good about what I'm doing. And also please watch some more videos of mine. Click on the ads as well. Then I get lots of money. Or you can take private lessons from me. That also gives me a lot of money. $200 a month. $200 per month to take private lessons from me. I teach you exactly the songs that you want to learn how to play. So we make a playlist of all the music that you listen to, and then I choose songs that are relevant to your skill level. And then we do it like that. Cheers.